Okay, I'm going to try to make some quick videos for you guys here so you can kind of see some of the work that we got going on here. So this is for number one. We're going to be converting 1 yard to centimeter, and these videos are to try to help you understand how we're going to do those conversions. So I kind of already have my problem loaded up on here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to write some other things because I know I need to go from 1 yard to centimeter. So my end answer needs to be in centimeters, like so, right? So here's some other things I know. I know there's 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay. I also know there is 12 inches in 1 foot. And I also have this next conversion of 2.5 centimeters and 1 inch. So we're first going to just go ahead and start off our T-chart. And the information I have here is 1 yard. So go ahead and write 1 yard in there for us. And from all this information I have, it looks like I can get rid of yard into feet at least. So I got to put yard down below. And feet right there. It looks like yard, we have 3 feet, 1 yard, so I can hit our 1 yard there. Okay. And our yards will cancel out now. So we'll get, that'll cancel out, that'll cancel out, and I'll have feet. Okay, well, if I draw another little conversion box here, I'm in yards, but I need to go all the way over here to centimeters. Well, it looks like I have feet, and I know there is 12 inches in 1 foot here. So if I can get to inches now, okay, and 1 foot down below, this is going to show me that now my feet will cancel out, and I'll have inches left over. Well, we're not quite done. We need to be in centimeters. So I know that centimeters needs to be up top, and if I put inches down below here, that inches will cancel off, and I will have, I can write in my numbers now, 2.54 or 1 inch. Now if I type this into my trusty calculator, all I have to do is take our numbers. So I'm going to take 1 times 3 times 12 times 2.54. That gives me that, and looks like divided by 1. So my answer should be 91.54. But what's my label? Centimeters. Okay, and that's video 1. Thanks.